Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is to go to Google. In the search bar, type NHT Refund application form. Click on the first link and then it will take you to this page. Please note that the application can only be accessible online, and you can do this either from the NHT website or via their mobile app, which is available in the Google Play Store or the App Store. All right. Now, the mobile app is very useful because it also helps you to see previous contributions that you've made and your benefits and so forth. Now you want to click on apply here. This will take you to the contribution refunds online application page, and you can of course scroll through and read the provisions. I don't, because in my mind I'm gonna do it anyway. So, but you should read it. You should read it. Always practice to read fine prints. Now, once you click on agree, it will take you to the application form. Point to note here, if it is that you are currently living overseas, it does not necessarily mean that you are a migrating expatriate. However, if you have been making your contributions and you are planning to leave Jamaica permanently, you may go ahead and select migrating expatriate. For me, I select none of the above as none of the others apply. Do you make your mortgage payments to the NHD? For me, I don't. And are you currently a public sector worker? For me, I'm not. So I selected no. Date of birth, let's just say August 11, 1991, and select continue. Now this is where you enter your personal and contact details. Go ahead and enter your name and your address. Let's say 12 Pine Grove Place, Pine District. And let's use Manchester as the parish, Jamaica as the country. However, if you are living overseas, you should go ahead and use your current residential address. You may be asked to provide proof of this address, especially if it is that the NHT does not have your updated records since you migrated from Jamaica. So be prepared to have either a utility bill, and they may ask that you have this notarized. Go ahead and enter your phone number. As for your ID, if it is that you're using an overseas driver's license, this too will also need to be notarized. If you have a Jamaican driver's license and it's still valid, meaning it is not yet expired, you can use that as your identification. Just continue. Have you ever had a name change? For me, I have. So if it is that you did, select yes. For me, I did. My last name is what changed because I got married. Now, if you have never claimed under your married name, you will be required to provide your marriage certificate to prove that your name has in fact changed. So be prepared for that. Click continue. And now your employment history. So this is where you'll enter information where you've worked for the period 2017 and before. So for some reason, when I try to insert the year, it will not let me. Sometimes this can happen, especially if there's a lot of people accessing the application form at the same time. It may cause system errors like this. So what you can do, you can try to complete the form via a desktop computer or maybe via the app to see if it works better that way. When I was making my application, I completed everything exactly how I'm showing it to you now on the website. I didn't have to use the app and I didn't have to use a desktop computer. So yeah, it won't let me continue unless I have insert the years for which I am claiming. Okay, so for the purposes of this demo, I decided to use my desktop, and now I'm able to see the years for which I want to claim for. As you can see, the latest year that you will see in this list is 2017 because That is where they are now. You cannot claim for anything after 2017 at this point. However, by next year, you'll be able to claim for 2018 and so on and so on. Okay, now you want to go ahead and enter your company, and for me it's Ministry of Justice, so I'm just going to enter that. If your company name does not pop up on that list, I'm really not sure what to tell you. I don't know what's going to happen. You'd probably have to contact the NHT and ask them what to do. But if it's a registered company in Jamaica, it should be on the list. Now you want to click next, and this is my favorite part. Where do you want to receive your payment? For me, I don't like that hassle, so I just select pay to my local Jamaican bank account. I just sit wherever and let them do the work, send my money to my account, right? And you want to ensure that your account information is accurate, because if it is not, the payment will not go through. They will usually send you an email or probably give you a call just to notify you that they tried to make a payment but it did not go through. But if you don't want any delays in getting your money, just please ensure that the information is accurate. Once that is completed, it will take you to the review page. Now, again, you want to go through and ensure that all the details are accurate. Once you're certain that all the information is accurate, you can go ahead and click confirm. I won't do that because I'm not going to submit this. This was just for the tutorial purposes, so I won't do that. But once you click confirm and it is submitted, it will generate a receipt and you will receive your reference number. You want to ensure that you keep this reference number in a very safe and secure place. Do not share with anyone, because this is what you will use in case you have queries. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any other questions.